On Wednesday, the Clackamas County Sheriff's Office announced it's suspending the use of I-247 detainers, a form ICE agents can use to hold undocumented immigrants in county jails past the time they were scheduled to be released.
So these detainers are common practice used by ICE's enforcement and removal operations to keep aliens in detention so they can interview them and determine whether or not they need to be detained for further processing.
If a county goes along with ICE's request, they can get up to 48 hours to confirm someone's legal status and check their criminal record. Now this process could be changing. The Clackamas County suspension of I-247 detainers came after an Oregon plaintiff won her case. The woman said she was held in jail and not allowed to post bail because the county was complying with the federal request. Miranda-Olivares argued there was no probable cause to hold her, a violation of her Fourth Amendment rights. The US Magistrate Judge Stewart ruled in her favor, and now this ruling has become a precedent not just in Clackamas County, but in Washington and Multnomah too.
Based on this opinion, I think every alien who's been detained without a determination of probable cause to keep them detained has had their constitutional rights violated.
Kevin Stewart is an immigration attorney in Medford. He says I-247s are common and have been used to detain his clients. When News 10 called county counsel this morning, Jackson County attorney Joel Benton said the county doesn't know if it's going to suspend the use of these detainers based on the new ruling. But Stewart says it's something they need to think about. The Clackamas case sets a 2-year statute of limitations as the precedent, which means the county could be liable for any hardships detainees may have faced here at the local jail in the last 2 years. These hardships could include lost wages, and plaintiffs could be entitled to those damages. Stewart says it's not a black and white issue. ICE needs a way to detain criminals, but he thinks there is a way which also prevents Fourth Amendment violations.
I think the prerogative is going to be on the ICE enforcement and removal operations to have someone work closer with the jail.
Stewart says immigration status can be verified quickly. The problem is local ICE agents don't just cover Jackson County. They're also responsible for all of Southwest Oregon. Covering your news in Medford, Caitlin Conrad, News 10.